Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to fix TeraBox network issue. Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to fix TeraBox app network problem. First of all, you have to tap on your TeraBox app and here you have to hold for 3 seconds. After that, here you will see an option app info. You have to click on this. When you click on this app info button, here you have to click on device device storage and cache. After that, clicking on this, now here you have to clear the storage and tap on clear cache at the right bottom. After that, you have to give the all necessary permission to your TeraBox app. Now tap on allow to all permission. After that, you have to refresh your internet connection. In this way, you can fix your TeraBox internet problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.